Hey, have you ever heard those wild stories about piranhas? You know, the tiny fish that can strip a cow to the bone in seconds? Well, let me tell you, there's a lot more to these little guys than Hollywood horror. Today, I want to talk about the real lessons we can learn from piranhas, and trust me, they might just surprise you. First off, let's get one thing straight. Piranhas aren't the bloodthirsty monsters people make them out to be. In fact, they're some of the most misunderstood fish in the Amazon. Sure, they've got razor-sharp teeth, but most of the time, they're just minding their own business, eating fruit insects and the occasional fish. Lesson number 1, don't judge by appearances. What looks dangerous on the outside might just be a clever survivor. Now here's something really fascinating. Piranhas are actually masters of teamwork. Have you ever seen a school of piranhas moving together? It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. When food is scarce, they hunt as a group. Each one waits its turn, making sure everyone gets a share. That's lesson number 2, cooperation beats competition. In the wild, just like in life, working together gets you much further than fighting alone. But that's not all. Piranhas are also experts at adapting. The Amazon River isn't an easy place to survive. Sometimes the waters flood, sometimes they dry up and food can disappear in a flash. So what do piranhas do? They change their diet, move to new spots, and even slow down their bodies to save energy. The message here? Flexibility is everything. Being able to adapt to changes, whether it's in your job, your city, or just your daily routine, makes all the difference. And here's my favorite part. Piranhas might have a fierce reputation, but they're actually quite shy. They only get aggressive when they're threatened or really hungry. Most of the time they avoid trouble. That's lesson number 4, pick your battles. You don't have to fight every fight sometimes. The smartest thing you can do is just swim away. So the next time you hear someone talking about piranhas as mindless killers, remember they're survivors, team players, adaptable and smart about when to fight. There's a lot we can learn from these misunderstood fish. Maybe the real lesson is to look deeper, work together, adapt when life throws a curveball, and save your energy for the battles that really matter. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into nature's secrets, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring. You never know what nature has to teach you.